He scared me. What? We went to a buffet yesterday and he was like, I'm too chunky. Like 30 minutes later, he went up to get crab legs.
Starbucks. Is it good?
Yeah. Here's my order.
Not focusing. I got this one that you picked for me. I like it.
Right?
Yeah.
Wait, you should try mine.
It is pretty good. Wait.
We can go over here.
This is a really nice walk actually, but if it was less sunny, it would be so much better.
Oh yeah, I like the white one too. I like the temperature. Should we sit here? So I'll go to Target later.
Sure.
I saw this one.
It's good.
Right? And then I have a lot more ideas, but it's kind of a lot of work putting it in there.
I might start this right now.
I used to want to do that.
Oh. Okay.
The end of the week. And bread. Yeah, your mom. She's stressing so bad. She told me she was applying to 10 colleges. I know, 10.
Which 10?
She said. Oh, dude, this is just like eating vlogs. I haven't done it anymore. I'm getting there.
We're leaving the library. Mike's Pizza.
I feel like I would lose my balance or something. First, I'm gonna share this. Okay. I think I already have this one too. Oh! There you go.
The battery's running really.
Yes.
I see it already.
Face.